Yay! Hello, lovely humans! Jen Foxbot here. I did my first serious print with my 3D printer over the weekend using my Prusa i3 and Protopasta. Woo! I forget exactly the color, but it's like black with sparkles. Yay. Okay, so first I gotta turn the printer on and move the bed. Not the bed, move the extruder, so that I can take the plate off safely. I love this printer and I want to do everything very carefully. Okay, so I go to settings, move axis, and then we're gonna move Z. Boop. Woo! Can I just say I love how user-friendly this printer is. My last one was okay. I'm glad that I learned on that one, but this one it's just like, oh, okay. Oh, magnets. Check this out. Look at the detail. I can't see what I'm showing. Okay. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. I'm really impressed. There was one mishap, but I managed to pause the print and glue it down, and then it recovered really well. So you can't even really tell that it kind of messed up a little bit over there. Okay. So we're gonna bend this and kind of get it off a little bit. Maybe it might be really on there. I probably should have taken this off yesterday, but I came home late from climbing and I was really tired and I wanted to show y'all, and I was like, I can't film right now. Okay, I might need my little scraper thingy. Ooh, yeah, dang, that is really stuck on there. That's okay. This is just the outside. I'm trying to, I'm like really bad at being aware of camera angle. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video while I figure this out, because you probably don't want to see me doing this. It's like, okay, I get it. It's hard to get off. Wait, maybe. I also am probably gonna swear in this process, and I'm like trying really hard not to. Family friendly channel. Okay, hold on one sec. Oh, okay, that was a process. I lost a few of the details, but check that out. Okay, and it has like a outer layer, but oh, it's beautiful. I'm really excited at how detailed it came out as. Oh, I love this so much. It's glittery. Oh, and it's actually smooth on the other side. The other, when I printed this on my other printer, it was like really itchy. Oh shit, I broke a part of it. Whoops, sorry. I really tried hard not to swear. There's one in there. Okay. Okay. Here's a fun fact about me. Normally, I kind of have the mouth of a sailor, but teaching has really helped with that. Oh, it's beautiful. Wait. Okay. We'll get closer. Yeah. Oh, I'm so happy. I love it so much. All right, now I'm gonna see what I can do to make this print a little better. Cool. Okay. All right. Have a beautiful day, everybody. Bye.